Here we are on the 13th Monday night session of the season. Tonight is the first week of the second period in this league. My team finished the first period in second place. We're hoping to have a similar outcome this period. I'm going to try my best to do my part. I think that working towards the goals that I've set for myself for this quarter will also be beneficial to my team.
To the folk.
A 10! A 10! A fucking 10!
I thought that game 1 was pretty good overall. I feel like I gave myself the best chance to make the 2-4-5-8 spare in the 10th frame by shooting straight at it instead of hooking into it. However, the margin of error for that spare is still small, and unfortunately I missed slightly to the left of my target. Although it's easier said than done, I need to put that missed spare behind me and focus on having a strong performance in game 2.
Sweet.
Hell no, to the no, 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 hell to the no.
Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit of
emotional damage.
I'm up all night to get lucky.
Other than the missed 10-pin in the 9th frame, I feel good about my overall performance in Game 2. I think the 7-10 split in the first frame was a little unlucky, but that's just an example of one of the bad breaks that I've come to occasionally expect. Once again, I need to put Game 2 behind me and focus on finishing the night strong.
Nice shot.
Perfect.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
I feel like the 6-7 split in the first frame was primarily my fault for missing my target to the inside, which caused the ball to go through the nose of the pins. On the other hand, I think the 7-10 split in the 9th frame was some more bad luck. I feel good about my overall performance for the night though. I only missed 2 of 11 non-split spares, which is a positive development towards the goals I hope to achieve by the end of this quarter. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.